Sawhorses are indispensable tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, providing a stable platform for cutting, assembling, and supporting materials during projects. Whether you're a contractor managing heavy-duty tasks or a hobbyist working on light woodworking, choosing the right sawhorse can make or break your workflow. For this comparison, we analyzed 5 top-rated models across a range of Lnum Works Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. The Works Pegasus stands out as a premium offering, combining the functionality of a sawhorse and workbench. Its innovative 2-in-1 design allows seamless transitions between tasks, while the integrated clamping system and expandable surface area make it a versatile choice for a variety of projects. The ABS plastic and steel construction ensure durability, and its 300-pound workbench capacity, 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, is sufficient for most applications. The lightweight design, 29.7 pounds, and foldability make it portable, though its size may be a bit cumbersome for smaller workspaces. In real-world use, the Pegasus excels. Lnum Amazon Basics Rectangular Folding Sawhorse, set of 2. The Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse is the budget-friendly option in this lineup, offering simple yet effective functionality. With a 900-pound capacity distributed across the pair, these sawhorses are suitable for light to medium-duty tasks. The powder-coated metal construction provides decent durability, and the locking braces and non-slip feet ensure stability. At just 4.86 pounds per sawhorse, they are exceptionally lightweight and portable, making them ideal for occasional or mobile use. While the Amazon Basics sawhorses perform well for their price, they lack advanced features like clamping systems or adjustable legs. The fold-out stoppers are a nice touch for lightweight storage. Lnum Metabo HPT Folding Sawhorses. The Metabo HPT Folding Sawhorses are a mid-range option offering impressive features for their price. With a combined load capacity of 1,200 pounds, these sawhorses are built for heavy-duty tasks. The inclusion of 4 sawbucks allows for easy 2x4 integration, expanding the working surface. Weighing only 11 pounds for the pair, they are lightweight yet sturdy, and the built-in shelf and cord hooks add convenience for tool management. These sawhorses excel in both professional and DIY settings, offering stability and versatility. The non-skid feet ensure a secure grip on various surfaces, while the sawbucks make it easy to handle larger materials. Lnum Sawhorses 2-pack Folding. The Workhorse heavy-duty sawhorse is a robust option designed for demanding tasks. With a staggering 2,600-pound load capacity per pair, these sawhorses are built for heavy-duty applications. The steel construction and reinforced design ensure durability, while the adjustable cast steel hooks provide versatility for custom setups. Despite its strength, the folding design allows for relatively easy storage and transport. In use, the Workhorse sawhorses shine in professional settings where high load capacity is critical. The self-adapting swivel legs provide stability on uneven surfaces, and the flip-down support legs are a handy feature for holding boards. However, their weight, 28.9 pounds per sawhorse, may make them less portable than Lnum Bora Workhorse XT Sawhorses 2-pack Folding Heavy-Duty Sawhorse Pair with adjustable legs. Heavy-duty sawhorse for contractors, portable workbench with built-in bottle opener, PM3330T. The Bora Workhorse XT offers a combination of strength and versatility, with a total load capacity of 2,400 pounds. The pre-drilled holes allow for 2x4 integration, transforming the sawhorses into a sturdy workbench. The foldable steel legs and secure latches make setup and teardown quick and easy, and the built-in bottle opener is a quirky but appreciated addition. These sawhorses are well suited for a variety of tasks, from woodworking to construction. The adjustable